Hello everyone. For this forum post you're going to learn a little bit about how to research tax code. Now in my master's program, because I have a master's degree in tax as I mentioned, we had an entire class on tax research, so I'm only going to show you the most basic ways of doing this. So if you go to www.irs.gov and you click on Help and Resources, you should have here on the left tax code and regulations. So if we click on that, gives us a little bit of information about how to search the Internal Revenue Code. I'll take it step by step here. If you know the section number, you go directly to it here. If you know more than that, you're going to go here, but initially go to the table of contents. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at income taxes. Click here. And I want to look at normal taxes, Chapter 1. And I would like to look at the computation of taxable income, so subchapter B. Notice how we're getting a little depth here. Title 26, Subtitle A, Chapter 1, Subchapter B. What I'm interested in primarily is Section 61, which governs, here we go, gross income. So if we're clicking on gross income here, and you have some items that you can click on below it. If you click on gross income, you can see that it's a definition of gross income, and it's saying that including but not limited to, and it gives you a listing of the following items, right? Things that are included as gross income. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to click on IRS rulings. In here are any number of private letter rulings that have been issued to taxpayers based on the taxability of certain items. So for example, if I were to click on transit passes, what it'll do is it'll pull up the private letter ruling for me. And I'd like you to read through this. Now, they can be, 4 to 6 pages or so as a norm. The idea is it gives you kind of a description of what the issue was, and what they're asking the IRS about the taxability. And at the end, they usually give a conclusion. Based on the information submitted, we rule as follows. And at the end is, as I said, a conclusion of the tax issue. What I'd like you to do is find your own tax issue. Try not to repeat. Let me back it up here. There's any number of them you can choose from here. Oops, let me go back to IRS rulings. Any number of them that you can choose from in here. And I'd like you to come up with a post telling us about a basic description of what the issue is being discussed, as well as what the IRS final decision was. And I'd like you to include the title of it and the date as well. So this way we know, if anybody's curious, we can go back and read through the original private letter ruling ourselves. Actually, what probably might be good is if, for example, we chose that one, if you could actually copy and paste the link. So this way we can go directly to it without a lot of work. Alright? Have fun with this, and don't forget to comment on another one of your peers' postings. Thank you.